Whether I'm running through the woods, swimming in the lake, or biking over the mountains, it's the ultimate physical and mental challenge. Come with us on this journey and experience the power of sports. The triathlon. It's not just a race. It's a challenge. The sounds of nature all around me. These are the things that make me feel truly alive. It's a journey that starts with a single stroke, one step, and one breath.